we will turn 50. This nation of 1,000 tribes, 860 languages, so many cultures and traditions. We will turn 50. Starts now. The countdown starts now. So a day we are hosting this great event, this parade. The whole of the Pacific are here. China is here. India is here. Philippines is here. Malaysia, New Zealand, to celebrate with us, Papua New Guinea, embracing our journey as their journey. Come out and celebrate our journey. Celebrate our
This is it and make the most of it. To all children and people of this country, you ask me, what is there to celebrate? From the first election in 1977 up till today, we remain our democracy, but we must celebrate our independence. Right now, everyone must come together. One people, one nation, one country, for the cause and celebration of our nation's past. Together, we can inspire our future.